Taco Bell's Crunchwrap Supreme, 530 calories, 15 grams of protein. You're hungry again an hour later. Mine, 349 calories, 28 grams of protein, 18 grams of fiber, and it tastes better. Today, we're rebuilding the Crunchwrap. High protein, lower calorie, and honestly, better than the original. If your food doesn't feel like a reward, you won't stick to the plan. That's the cheat code. And stick around, I'm dropping a secret Chipotle dip to make this unreal. First, we need a tortilla. We're gonna use these right here by La Banderita. High in fiber, much lower in calories than regular tortillas. Now we're gonna place it down, and what we're gonna do first is I'm gonna use some of this Mexican cheese right here. I'm just gonna measure out 1 serving size, which is 28 grams. I'm gonna use some of this and put it right on the bottom. Now for the meat, I'm using 93.7 ground beef. I'm using this one by Verde Farms. I also did use Taco Bell seasoning to get that more authentic Taco Bell flavoring. I'm gonna measure out 60 grams of the 93.7. And now we're just going to put it right here in the middle. And now for the tostada, we're using these by Charas. These are baked, not fried, so you're saving on a lot of calories. Make sure it's not broken, and we're gonna place it right on top. And now to save on a lot of calories and add some protein, we're using non-fat plain Greek yogurt instead of sour cream. I'm taking about 40 grams, and I'm gonna put it right on top of the tostada. Carefully spread it out so it does not crack. Now we have our diced tomatoes, and shout out Knife Saga for sending these over. Super sharp, high quality. Links in the description if you want to check them out. Going 25 grams of the diced tomatoes right on top. 20 grams of shredded lettuce. And the rest of our cheese. Now for the fold. We'll work in a circle, tightly folding in the edges of the tortilla. All right, we got it all folded up. Now I got a hot pan. I'm gonna put some avocado oil down. And we're gonna put this face side down to make sure you get a nice seal on the bottom. Now while the wrap's getting crispy, we'll make the lower calorie Chipotle dip. And no Greek yogurt, we're not doing that. In a blender cup, add light mayo, Chipotle peppers and adobo sauce, lime juice, Dijon mustard, 2 cloves of garlic, smoked paprika, ground cumin, sea salt, and fresh cilantro. Blend it up, and there you go. Off the pan. Now let's cut it open. Nice and crispy. And there you go. Oh. Full recipe with all ingredient links in the description. Drop a comment and tell me, what fast food item should I rebuild next? I read every single one.